something about this place always gives me a little bit of inspiration for providing you guys with a lesson. So again, I'm back down here for learning a new level of meditation. Now, meditation for me is just about rejuvenation. Now, had a new baby come into our lives, and yeah, energy is pretty important right now, especially with lack of sleep. Now, last night, dealing with lots of poop, lots of sick, crazy stuff as a parent happens, right? So how do I restore that energy? Yes, I could get more sleep, I could have a little power nap, that would help, but just had like a half an hour meditation, learning a new skill within meditation, and actually like my eyes prior to this was just wanting to close. I was super tired. Now that meditation, it's restored me. I feel like my eyes are more alive, I feel more energetic, I feel good. Now, what do you need to instill into your life to maybe get more energy? It could be a little exercise routine, it could be stretching, it could be eating in a different way, it may be something as simple as drinking a little bit more water through your day. There's always something you can do to take that next step forwards to feel a little bit better about yourself. So, what is it at the moment that you feel like isn't working, right? That you would like to improve? Write that one thing down and then think about how you can improve that. Do a little brainstorm, right? And then that allows you to move forward. Take action on that and see how things improve. And there you have it. Do that, and I shall speak to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.